As organizations seek faster growth and innovation, they increasingly use cloud services and containers as part of their digital transformation. However, cloud security and compliance concerns are often overlooked. According to the Ponemon Institute, the average cost of a data breach now stands at about $4 million. To avoid the risks and costs of a data breach, organizations require security and compliance testing of their multi-cloud services. They also need to verify the security of their containers at multiple levels, from Kubernetes clusters down to Docker images. These challenges are magnified in multi-cloud environments that depend on proper security configurations across hundreds of settings. In fact, a recent Forbes Insights survey found that 69% of senior executives say that digital transformation is forcing fundamental changes to security strategies. TrueSight Cloud Security is a SaaS security and compliance solution with automated checks and remediation of multi-cloud resources and containers so that they are consistently and securely configured. Security checks are scheduled to run automatically or on demand to provide a comprehensive, up-to-date view of your multi-cloud security posture. Automated built-in remediation removes the manpower bottleneck to close security and compliance gaps quickly. With TrueSight Cloud Security, teams have complete visibility of compliance rules and violations in a multi-cloud environment. In this example, let's see if any AWS resources are using Elasticsearch in a non-compliant way. You can see that 2 resources are using Elasticsearch and 1 is non-compliant. We can drill down by selecting the resource that is using Elasticsearch for customer data and see the compliance history. We can see that it recently changed to a non-compliant state because it is violating the no public access policy. We can now select the violation and automatically remediate it, changing the configuration back to an approved status and preventing a potential data breach. TrueSight Cloud Security helps organizations scale up security and compliance to accelerate digital transformation in a multi-cloud environment.